Welcome to Coin's Adventure. Today we're going to find where are the other sources of gold. Actually, there are a lot of gold scammed from the recycled computers, especially the boards. And then where this gold came from? Some of this gold actually came from different sources, from the minings or minings from the scrap. These are gold actually. So, okay, let's find out. After some of my experiment, if I'll tell you exactly what artist board composition is. You may see all over here after burning one of this, and then you'll find out actually what are this inside. This is the where the central processing CPU, CPU, what they call it. This is where it was seated, fitted in here, and then we have, which is a lot of fibers came across all over these chips probably uh, before I remove all. So look at this one, the connections all of the silver plated or silvers. So the white color, majority of this board are compositions of silver. It's not only silver, it comes also coppers. These are coppers. It seems there's a little bit yellowish. Maybe they are plated with gold. But those IC chips, actually there are a lot of gold inside. CPU seated here, CPU also in here. This is a computer PC board. And then if you're gonna look at the other side, the same. If you see, are all hang wirings made up of a tiny coppers. All of this one. Seems it's a little bit yellowish, seems they're also plated with gold, but the gold mainly actually from the IC chips, and then the pins, that's the gold. So you can even look at closely. This is the computer PC board. What is inside? A lot of copper wirings. And then this white, you can even see all the pins settled, they are all silvers. Silvers, coppers, and a lot of palladiums over here. You can even find also tantalum, aluminum. They are worth actually. The pen seated, the one I already removed all over here, they are the gold plated, including the IC CPU over here in this one. These are the gold inside of it. So after burning this one actually, and then I try to remove carefully the dust, and this is the result. Okay, and then let's go back to another one. Look, this is another high grade PC board. After dismantling all the IC chips, the white are all composed of silver. And then we have another one. This is also these are also the PC board of the computer. If you could even look at them after removing all the IC chips pieces, the white actually are the silvers composition. This is also considered a high grade board, rich of silver. This is also a laptop board. Laptop board. After I remove the CPU here, this is the gold. This is the gold also, but I already removed it. This one, there are a lot of gold and the CPU. And in the white left, it was attached of all with and the silver. Even at the back, this is the laptop board. And another types of laptop board. This is a laptop board. After removing all this PC, you can even see all that the attachments are made up of silvers. These are the white. Once you dismantle all the CP, PCs, pins, the left majority of the left are composition of silver. Another laptop board or a PC board of the computer, high grade. These are all silver. There's also gold in it, but maybe it's already a little bit. Majority of this one are silvers. Another PC board, silvers attached. All the white that you can even find out here. These are the high grade boards. I have another blue one. Yet, as long as the IC chips, the CPU are composed of gold, and the pins. Look at the pins after I remove it. You know what is inside? The attachment are all seated with silvers. Yeah, you can even have a lot of this. And then another green color, high grade board. Silver in gold, a little bit gold left in here. Another blue one. See, they're almost the same. They are very high grade board, very rich of gold, silver, palladium, tantalum, aluminum, and copper. Even thin also, thin. These are the rich. That's why these are all being buy from to the junk shop or being transported to the majority to the Asian countries, which they call it, which I heard before is the European countries, especially Americas, transporting all this PC board. They don't even recycle in their own country, but they move to China, but China stopped it. But it moves to the Philippines, even in Thailand, maybe even more in Africa or India, because they recovered all the minerals inside in it. There are a lot more, but I'm going to end up over here. And thank you for watching from Coins Adventurer.